this day's session, the 20th December 2019 evening. We will have 1 or 2 sessions. We will briefly see what has happened in yesterday for about 2-3 minutes, and then we will continue with the next one. Right? Thank you. I am now sharing the screen. So once the screen comes in, please tell me that it is available. Is the screen available?
Yes, sir. We are able to see the screen now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So yesterday what we did was, you come to this slide, the third slide, and we saw if you are having 2019 or if you are having Office 365 or the latest version, I'm not sure which version, say it will be available. When you come to this particular thing, you have insert. When you insert, then you will have one is shape, another is you will have an icons. Are you able to see this? This icon is one of the things which is added in the later versions of Office application. In Office 365, though, it is certainly there, and other Office, I don't know whether 2013, 16, whether they have, you people can check out. So this icons is one, like shapes, you can have a lot of icons in your presentation. I mean, the relevant icons, you will have a complete repository of icons you have. Let us just click on and see what is happening in this icon for one second. Now, when we click this icon, now it opens a new window and it talks about image, cutout icons, cutout of people, stickers, illustration, and all. If we come to icons, when you click Thomas, you have these kind of icons which will be there in Thomas. When you come to signs and sign symbols, you will have these kind of icons. Okay, you've got, it's a huge cache of icons where you have nature and outdoors. If you want, you can have flowers, you can have trekking, you are talking of trekking, or you are, I mean, it is endless. When you are taking some workshop on communication, you can talk on all these things. If you want to say, if somebody is speaking, you can put a mic there. And like that, you have so many. When you are talking of vehicles, if you are going to do something for an automobile company, you can have these kind of icons. And when you come to cutout people, if there is anything, then these are all the people's cutout. And you may be wondering, have you look at this particular one? You know, it is a transparent background. So if the background becomes red, it will become red. If the background becomes green, it will be in the green. If it is in a flower, it will be within this flower, something like that. Now you've got stickers. You will have stickers. You can put any of these stickers in your PowerPoint presentation. Then you have illustrations. So you will have many illustrations like this. You will have illustration. Birthday, winter illustration, education illustration. So as I told you, the options are numerous. It is for you to exactly use. These are all the pictures which is given in PowerPoint. Now, what we will do is, how are we going to do it? Let us say mathematics, you are taking a class. Now I will remove this icon. Now you go to like you have done a shape, we will go to the icon. And let us see communication, analysis, business, whatever it is, science, weather. Now you have celebration, landscape, tools and building, travel, home, people, graph. I mean, it is endless. Barely look at it. So you can have this. This is a kind of people. What you want to know. Now, if you are going to say teaching, this is what the icon I want. So I'll just simply say insert. It will get inserted. Now you keep it somewhere else because the color is not all right. So you can say right click the icon, you can right click and then you will have move here and all. Now you come here, when you want to go to the shape, you want to say some of the format changes, format graphic. Now, since you are going to move into any of these, so your fill color black will not look good. So we may go and take a, let us say, white color for this, but then there will be a problem. If you are making it white right now, it will create a problem. So what we will do, we will move it here, then we can move it as white or yellow. You make it as yellow, it comes like this. And you can make it as white, it comes like this. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. State whatever you want. Now this will be what you want to say, something through words, and use it through these icons or pictures and whatever you are doing. Let's say we will go here and then we will take icons and we will go to cutout of people. Let's go here, cutout of people, and let's assume this gentleman. We will take him for whatever reason. When we take him here, picture has to be downloaded from net. If one first doing, or once it is coming, then all these things will be available with you. So the picture has come now. If you really look at it, now you can make it like this. Now I'm sure you are watching. When I am moving, only he moves. But when you draw a picture and the picture background is going to be black, along with that it will move. Now only the person moves. That is what I was explaining to you, the particular thing. So if you want, you can say physics. You want to talk about this physics, then you can say like this. He is the person. So I'm only just giving you an idea as to what is available in Office. So it is up to us to use whatever we want to use. And this also I did yesterday, a conference. You can take this conference and then you can change the colors. This is what I was explaining. You don't want it, then you can make it as a yellow, green color. This changes the color. There's a conference table. So when you are going to talk about communication, you can call people and all, then you can put this kind of a. See, the idea is you are going to tell people symbolically or pictorially as to what you want to suggest to them and what you want to tell them properly. This is what was mainly done yesterday in a nutshell. So if anybody has any doubts, we can discuss for about 5 minutes. Then we will proceed. I'll stop the recording at this point, please.